Magandang araw mga ka-vlogs. Magpalit tayo ng gulong kasi mainit na, baka masira yung ating snow tires. Studded pa naman. Maingay siya pagka yung ginagamit eh. So ayan. Ayan mga ka-vlogs, dito tayo sa Quick, Mr. Quick. Ayan. Dito ako palagi, $33 on rims. Palitan na nila. Ayan. Dito rin ako nag-change oil. Bilis lang, 15 minutes or less pag walang pila. Ayan, so ayan. Ayan. Ayan mga vlogs, sa ating tapos ng trabaho na. It's 4:48 in the afternoon, Thursday. Mahangin siya. It's good to fly. May sa UAV forecast nung app. So it's 7 degrees. Hold on, see. Minsan sunny. It's 12 degrees but it's parang lamig kasi ng hangin eh. Expect the same as today, sabi niya. Ayan. 12 degrees. Ayan. So palipad lang tayo ng drone. Ayan. So ayan, at gandang panahon ngayon. At ito, at ating i-rake yan bago ang lahat, bago kalat na naman yan, nagiging green na yung ating grass, brown to green. Ang bilis nang mag-adapt ng mga halaman dito, no? Yung mga hayop tsaka bear maaga silang nagising ngayon eh, kasi inano na yung aming dyan eh, yung aming garbage kinalat na. Ayan. Kaya ingat-ingat din tayo. Andito lang siya sa tabi-tabi natin eh. Mahirap na, baka magulat, bigla na lang mag-attack ba. Ayan. Returning tayo kasi ang bilis niya mag-lobat, tapos yung kanyang is ayan, signal is na, hindi masyado maganda. 23%. GPS naman niya is 26 satellites, and encountering strong winds during RTH. Ayan. Ayan, mabalik na siya. Ang bilis mag-lobat eh, 20% agad. Kasi ito yung Atom SE. Yung price off ng dalawa, ng Atom tsaka Atom SE, isang mini DJI eh. So that's why. Ayan, accurate naman siya. Ayos. Ay mga ka-vlogs, sabi lang tayo nung kaibahan ng visa sa permit. So a permit is a permission to remain in Canada. Unlike a visa, you may not use a permit to enter Canada. The only exception is when you are flag polling via the United States. What does a permit include? A typical permit includes the personal information of the holder and the expiry date. It also consists of the terms of conditions attached to the permit. Of course, the most common permits include a visitor record, a work permit, a study permit, and a TRP. So, permit versus visa recap. A visa is a counterfoil attached to a passport, but a permit is a standalone document. You use permits to remain in Canada and enjoy the authorization they offer. However, a visa is the ability to travel and enter Canada. Yeah. When you apply for a work permit or study permit, you also need a visa to travel to Canada. Nevertheless, an immigration officer issues the visa for you if they approve your work permit or study permit application. The officers do not issue a permit for typical stays in Canada that last less than 6 months. However, there are significant deviations. They usually give a visitor record, which is a permit. So people who are exempt from visa may travel to Canada without a visa counterfoil in their passport. However, when they reach Canada, they may need a permit to stay regardless. So, sa pagkakaintindi ko, no, visa is you get it before you come to Canada. And then while you're in Canada, if you need a permit to study, to work, then you get it inside Canada. Yun yung pagkakaintindi ko sa difference ng visa sa permit. So a permit is longer period ang pagkakalagay doon, for longer period of time and for a specific activity such as studying, working, or living permanently. So a PR card is a permanent resident permit because it permits you to stay indefinitely, right? So yun pagkakaiba. So yung visa is a document that allows a foreign national to stay in Canada for a specific purpose and duration. It includes study permits, work permits, and permanent resident permits. Ayun yung Canadian permit. A Canadian visa are usually issued for a specific purpose and for limited duration, after which the individual must leave Canada or apply for an extension or a change of status. Yan. So mga vlogs, ang AI na chatbot AI, i-download nyo, no? Anyan lahat. Yan. So diyan ko nakuha yung parang Google, pero this one, if you Google it, kasi sa Google, ang kaibahan din ng Google sa AI, chatbot AI right now is parang yung Google noon, no? Walang mga sponsored ads. Ngayon, yung Google ngayon karamihan sponsored ads eh. So, yung mga nagbayad, kunwari mag-Google ka ng something e-bike, kaya no. Yung mga nag-sponsored sa Google AdSense or Google Ads, they get the first display dun sa Google Ads, no? Kasi sila yung mga nagbayad. But yung AI na ngayon is just like a younger version ng Google. Algorithm din siya. Inaano niya yung mga probability. Algorithm is probability, right? So, yan. Tubig tayo. So, ngayon lang mga vlogs, no? So, next time, I'll get more in-depth about yung mga sa Canada immigration. Kasi parang interested din ako dahil nga maraming gustong matuto, so why not take on the educate myself para may bahagi ko sa inyo. Kilala ko dito sa North BC, Prince George. Yan. Ayos.